There's the inside of the front of the Elegance, and we can see the headlamps being fitted. They got the wiper linkage in there, and look at that, the inside of the moulding, the front of the Elegance, right up to the roof. So they kind of like just come along, they're all being assembled across there. They're coming along now and they're lying down on their backs now. But there's the fronts. So the Elegance front is now being applied on the front of the Woolmobile, and it's outrageous. Look at this, how it's going to just mate together. They're just getting ready. There's the, you can see the bed up the top there, and they've got it held up with this amazing sort of like, look at this. So we're just coming down out of the backs assembly plant, and basically it's in the back end of it. So I'm just checking this out. This is the Mercedes based Elegance coming down on production line, and basically there's no top on it or no sides. It's just being all kitted out. There's the back of the fridge, and we're coming along, and we're coming in. There's the electrics in the back there, and we're coming into the garage area up along the side of it. There it is. That's in there's the bathroom section there being all constructed with the sink and all the different sections. The kitchen area is all pre-assembled for the Elegance. There's the back end of the kitchen. I'm just right at the start of the production line for the Elegance now, and there it is heading down the production line, and I kid you not, it is huge. It is huge, look at it. And you can see all the wiring. My goodness. That. And we're looking right down through the production line. Well, I just peeled up the front end now. And I'm just looking down at the hole. You can see the electrical block sat in the chassis. These have all got the oldie heater system, radiator system on them. And look at this. There's the front end. They've got the garage floor going in here, and they're starting to put the floor sections on with all the sealer all in between. It's actually still hanging down here, the sealer, and you can see across the floor of the motorhome all the electrics in there. All the electrics are right across the quick pop at the you can see the floor sections open out for the lockers. There's the waste tank in the back, and all the electrics are going in. He's just putting in the step panel here as well with all the sealer and the little box. I can see these sections here for the Audi water heating system, and yeah, and I'm not too familiar on it, so I'm not so sure on the location of these bits, but there's all the elements and pipe work and things, and then they're coming in, the raw materials in the box, like all the bits and pieces coming down the production line here. Just looking across, there's all the big floor sections for the Elegance, all the screws and fixings, massive. Look, so this is the Dometic fridge, and we just had that little PCB. So it's basically just one of these little printed circuit boards, basically, that plugs in down there. I'm just checking out the back end. These are, yeah, definitely the Audi heating system. I can see it, and then the back of the oven, all the sections all ready to drop right in. So these are the fronts of the fridges, the unit with the USBs in there, look. And there's the door handle and the television bracket already applied, right up through all the bits and pieces. These are the Elegance front side sections. Yeah, with the speaker already fitted. They've got trunking in. All the toilet sections. There's the bathroom sections again, and coming on down the line. And again, you can see the cars just beginning to take shape now. Look at this. Just looking again on this section, they've even got the bed section up there with the light switches on to support it coming down through the production line. So look at this. It's all starting. The panels are going on now. You can see the inside of the. I can see the inside of the wardrobe. These doors and all the electrics in the floor all been installed, and the plumbing for the Audi heating system all the way through, all the trunking wires all the way up through. See the back of the sink. There we go. Another vision. And yeah, that Merc front. Oh, look at it. The amount of elegance. There we go again. There's the sections for the side. Oh, look at it. Yeah, this section here is a massive turntable. They actually turn the vehicles because the side panels are coming down on another angle. So they've literally turned the whole vehicle round and then they're putting the panels on. So this is a grey one. Just behind me is the gold one. And just having a look, I'm just stopped here with this guy, and he's got the windscreen in the front section, and he's just putting the dash. I think it could be like maybe a sensor on the top in the middle of the windscreen now. These Mercedes-Benz got the sensors and stuff on the top, and he's just going to fit that there. Look, I'm just keeping him out of it. There we go, and he's just going to. So here we are again. We're just checking out the side of this white one coming down on the production line. So they're all different colours: the grey, the gold and the white. There's another white one coming down on the line, and yeah, it looks incredible. Then are the rear light sections, and then we got the water covers, and just see the front of the white one peeling through now on the line. They got all the arches, all these arches over the other side there. You can see the twin arches for the size of the Elegance. We've got the fly screen doors all ready to go on, little bits of furniture going on. We got all the doors are in here, the Hartel doors.
There you go, look.
There's the Hartel doors, and coming down, all ready for just a plug in. You can looking super slick from the side view now. Got the lovely mirrors on down to the wheels. Look, looks. You can see now with the bike rack on the back. They're doing some jobs underneath it, so it's up elevated up on the ramps. So all the lights are on, so the electrics must be on, and it's all systems go. So there's the Elegance hanging from the. Oh, look at the wheels! Oh, look at that! Oh my God, that is incredible! Right underneath the Elegance. It's all about is it looks like all the arch protectors are going on with sealer. They've got massive amounts of sealer here on a big drum, and they got all these bits of plastic going on. So that's what these up in the air for. That's well, down to the tyre repair kits and the sections. More sections of materials. Here's another one just walking down through. Oh, blinds and stuff like that going in. But all the blinds. Been a bit of profile now of the white one, the front end. They're ferrying on down this production line. All the little bits and pieces going on. They've got little charts up here showing all the little tiny, very intricate little caps and stuff going on. All the little finishes, little caps. There's some robot, all the little screws, and yeah, here they are, and another grey one. I'm just going to look down this line. So there's just the end of the line where they're going to probably be coming off and looking. Sorry, yeah, there's the back end of the Burstner Elegance. Just, it is impressive. It is like absolutely. We're getting down to what we're getting down to now. Also, yeah, so we're getting down to a little bit now where they're just doing some of the finishing touches. They've got the gas outlets being sealed on and just trimmed up, and yeah, just working on down the production. Just coming down to the section where they're starting to put the fridge vents on. They've got the ladders going in for the elevating bed. They've got this new Indus toilet system with all the chemical. They come out with its chemicals, and we got the mats and blinds, and we need a blue one of them. Yeah. There's all the little stickers that go on the wood and the trims and drawer. There's the boxes for the inside, the covers for the boxes. We got the seat, all the soft furnishings. There's the mats, And right, that's where your Burstner Elegance comes down. And there's the final end by the door, and that is virtually the end of the production line for the Elegance. This is the Elegance 910G, so we'll keep an eye out for that one, and we'll have to go and have a look at it. Look at that. Yeah, we're literally they're doing some little final touches here. I can hear the music pumping away in the Elegance. There's the bike rack on the back of it, all looking super sweet. Yeah, so we're just having a look. We just spotted a yeah, another Citroen one, 690G. Yes, Citroen 690G. So yeah, just having a little look. There's another Elegance. There's more motorhomes here than you shake a stick at. There's all the but you've got to remember that these are going all over Europe. There they are, like, right out on the end there. We're just back on the outside again now, and there's all the raw materials all been brought in for the process, and yeah, there's all the different materials, all rows of it stacked up. Absolutely massive amounts of it. Back around where we kind of started off from now, I think. It's what a super impressive place. Just come into the mess room for one of the mess rooms for the employees, and Guido was just actually saying about how they try and keep them happy, and this is just like an incredible canteen, and they got the food counter over there. Look, they got microwaves, and it is super clean, and what a mess room. Wow. Yeah, just on the door there. So there it is, we're back on the bus at Kehl with the flags flying.